That's intense. Some drivers really need to rethink their choices on the road. Definitely not the kind of behavior anyone wants to see.
Tak, ja byłem, kiedy? Czekaj, byłem w zeszłą... O kurwa, ale wypadek! Ja pierdolę!
Glad everyone's okay, but man, seeing another crash in the background is wild. Roads can be so unpredictable.
O, ja pierdolę, mam to nagrane na tym, na kamerze. O, teraz drugi się...
You giving the credit for killing SLI? Honestly? Balls, right? Balls, you think reviewers killed SLI?
Classic 1.9 TDI from the Passat B5. Once the turbo kicks in, it really surprises you. Only true drivers know how to handle that. Something unexpected went down in San Juan Capistrano. Always an adventure when surprises pop up in California. This category involves the upper mammals with Oscar.
Ты бежишь, дурак. Ой, блядь, как его поднял.
Closed crosswalk, solid lines and a fence, total chaos. And as for fleeing, well, the guilty always find a way to fold themselves up. Such a tragic event. That's a wild situation. It's frustrating when people put others at risk, especially with such reckless behavior. Looks like the road's a little too wild.